Hey everyone, is your Excel file just too large and slow to work with? Yeah, that can be really frustrating. In this quick guide, I'll show you practical ways to reduce file size and improve performance so Excel runs smoothly again. So, let's get started. First, check for extra rows or columns that aren't in use. Even if they look empty, Excel may be storing data there. Select the unused rows or columns, right-click, and choose Delete. Then save your file. Next, clear unnecessary formatting. Too many fonts, colors, or styles can bloat your file. Select the range, go to the Home tab, click Clear, and choose Clear Formats. This keeps the data but removes excess formatting. Sometimes extra sheets are the culprit. Check your workbook for sheets you no longer need. Right-click the Sheet tab and select Delete. Just make sure you back up anything important first. If your workbook contains images, they can dramatically increase size. Select the picture, go to Picture Format, choose Compress Pictures, and select appropriate options. You can also remove unnecessary images entirely. Volatile formulas like now, today, or indirect recalculate constantly, which can slow down Excel. Try to replace them with static values or simpler formulas whenever possible. Yeah, this makes a noticeable difference in big files. Finally, if your file is still large, save it as a binary workbook. Go to File, Save As, and choose Excel Binary Workbook.xlsb. This format can reduce file size significantly and improve performance. And that's it. These steps should help shrink your Excel file and make it faster to work with. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.